camera in the middle of the bush. Huh. Oh well. We were just out for the weekend testing some canvas storage gear from Simple Lifestyle Outfitters, Western Australia. You're kind of in our way, so do you want to come with us? What do you reckon? So we're in the Beela Valley, and Jake and I have been exploring through here since we were peeplaters. We used to come out here with a bunch of guys that knew a lot more about four-wheel driving than we did, and we took on some tame tracks, we took on some wild tracks. So this is where we learned everything we know. We're going to just poke around and see what's changed, see what we can see, without going too crazy. Just take a nice slow day through the bush and enjoy the outdoors. The slower Gearmate 18. This has got everything we're going to need for our lunch and our dinner and our breakfast the next day. So this one here is the slower Gearmate 21, and I use this to keep all of my cutlery and cooking gear in. It's got it. Well done. Yeah, nice. Something about a really good Riverside stop makes you want to break out the billy and have a tea or have a lunch. We already had lunch, so I think it's time for an afternoon tea. So I'm really keen for a tea. One, because I love tea, but two, because I'm excited to show you my tea kit. So this is the Gearmate 21. I'll show you how my tea kit works. This is the billy inside of a little bag so that when it's all covered in charcoal from the campfire it doesn't make a mess. I always carry a little hiking gas canister. Gearmate number 2, full of accessories for my coffee making, and importantly here, a little tiny hiking gas stove. Of course, gotta have tea, little container of tea bags, and I use 2 of the Yeti insulated travel mugs. Not going to use this one today, that's the AeroPress for the coffee in the morning.
At this time of year, the river is slowing down. I find it relatable. It's good to slow down.
Go find camp, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Catching up with the boys at camp. I've about explored enough for one day.
Yeah.
It's time to relax. I've got one more exciting pod to share with you. And you, Jake.
Really?
You're going to like this. This is quite unconventional. Sort of like wrapped up like a gift. What we do when we get to camp.
Alright. I've got the time, so it doesn't hurt just to pick up a bit of rubbish now and then.
Okay, just like I promised. Surprise pod. You ready to see what's inside, Jake?
Wow. So much variety.
The GearMate 19 pod. This is probably the last thing that they'd recommend using it for, but it perfectly holds 12 beers. So here we are, camp. All our friends are here. Got some drinks in hand. Did you have a good day, Jake?
Yeah, it was a great day.
Yeah, me too. Hope you've enjoyed this adventure. Live simply, take life a little slower with some of the slower gear you've seen in this video. Links for all the products are in the description, and we'll see you next time. Let's go enjoy the fire.